you serious? Are you serious, guys? Let me, just for a minute, the waves out here in the the Pacific Ocean are just incredible right now. Just incredible. I'm going to try to get as unbelievable, beautiful. Check this out. Need to be still, I guess. Check this out, guys. It is just unbelievable. You know, when the storms of life are raging and you don't know how you're going to handle it, you know, all of us sometime or another face some waves that are beyond our comprehension. Storms. And of course, this storm that has just hit Southern California, 4 people have died from it, unfortunately. They called it, some people named it Lucifer, but I just want to say this: God's in control, okay? God's totally in control. These waves are just insane. And even if you was trying to surf in this, it's just too incredible. And would probably be just way too dangerous. Just amazing. I could walk out there a little closer where you can hear, just insane, but I'm not going to do it. Wow. Let me just see if I can get a little closer to the rocks. Just for a second, okay? Just for a second. I'm sorry, because I know this is terrible to be bouncing around. It's hard for me to see because I'm filming right into the... You see where the clouds are coming down with the ocean? Check this out, guys. Unbelievable. And you can hear it. Just roaring. The seas are roaring. The Bible says there shall be signs in the sun. Once you look into the distance, you'll see it kind of dark. There shall be signs in the sun and in the moon and in the stars, and distress of nations with perplexity, the sea and the waves roaring. Men's hearts have failed them, though, for fear, for looking after those things coming down the earth. The powers of heaven shall be shaken. Then shall you see the Son of Man coming in a cloud with power and great glory. When these things begin to come to pass, he says, look up, lift up your head, for your redemption is drawing nigh. All right, guys, I gotta go. I gotta go. Are you serious? Beautiful, beautiful. Pacific Ocean, Southern California. San Diego. Are you serious? Are you serious? There you see a sinkhole opening up in Los Angeles. 2 cars swallowed here. Good news is they got both the drivers out just before. Well, the one driver, they got her out of there after her car went into the sinkhole. The second driver, they got him out just before the car was swallowed and falls into the sinkhole. We also have fire trucks that were swallowed by sinkholes. 4 people are dead so far from the torrential rains that have hit the Southern California coast, from Los Angeles all the way down to San Diego. There's been incredible, 1 man electrocuted. There's been folks who trapped in cars were drowned. 4 dead. Torrential rains, mudslides, landslides, electrocutions, sinkholes, flash flooding, high winds, roofs blown off buildings. Just an insane, the strongest storms ever witnessed in Southern California in decades. And we were covering it for you last night. We were keeping a close eye on it, doing several live reports, and warning everyone that the storm that some call Lucifer definitely brought some very strong, deadly consequences. But now the real problem is still up in Oroville, California, where they're going to experience 7 straight days of rain on the largest dam in the United States, the Oroville Dam, that is at the brink of breaking. Already 200,000 people have been evacuated once. Will they have to leave again? And will the dam break? It's been weakened certainly it's a concern. So I'll continue to stay on top of these stories, folks. We are living in apocalyptic times. Something biblical is going on with the signs of the second coming of Christ. Give your life to Jesus Christ. He is coming soon. Are you serious? Serious? Are you serious? Am I almost live? Yes, I am. Okay. All right, guys. There's been some apocalyptic crash. It's never good when this starts to happen. But we've got 19 dead, at least, maybe more. In Argentina, a bus traveling to Chile just flipped over early this morning, killing at least 19 people. Mountain Road on board. 32 of those people were Argentinians. There was 3 kids on there. And so we're very concerned. At least 19 are dead, at least. And it's an ugly scene. And I've noticed that there's patterns when there's bus derailments, plane crashes, or in the ocean sometimes. So it doesn't happen today. Deadly train derailment in Belgium, 1 dead, 27 injured. And this horrible bus crash in Argentina where 19 are dead and maybe more. And a terrible scene there. All right. Anyway, great to see everybody here. For those of you with me, give me just 1 second. I don't know where I'm at, but I want to try my best to keep you up to speed with things that are going on. Anyway, it's just a terrible, terrible situation developing, and we're going to stay on. All right, and we're here with our son, our daughter-in-law, and our little baby Carson, which we'll show Carson to you when she's ready. She is not camera ready at this moment. All right. But she is sweet. All right. I'll see you guys in a little while. God bless all of you. Are you serious? Are you serious? We survived the storm, by the way, but there was one death in Victorville, California from flooding. There was roofs blown off from some high winds. There was flooding, flash flooding. And our biggest concern is still Oroville, California's dam. Pray for those folks there. What? Are you serious? Are you serious? What? Deep space. Listen, folks. Mysterious flashes have been discovered beyond the Milky Way. Matter of fact, here's a report at the CrusaderJournal.com. The massive flares of energy in an X-ray binary stars have been discovered. Strange X-ray emissions have been discovered in 2 galaxies, and researchers can't explain what's causing them. Matter of fact, University of Alabama physics undergrad students under instruction from the professor Jimmy Irwin, he said he told them to look for examples of X-ray emissions from galaxies beyond the Milky Way, and to use the a telescope information as data. Irwin wanted the students to find ones that owed global cluster galaxies. The students examined archived observations for 70 galaxies near the Milky Way. 2 brief flares were seen, separated by 4 years. Irwin explained both peaked in brightness in under a minute and decayed over in an hour. One flare was identified in the galaxy of NGC 4636 near Virgo. Another galaxy was NGC 5128 near Centaurus. When not flaring, the sources appear to be normal, asserting a neutron star. Okay? Now, they're located in old stellar populations, unlike the magneteers, these anomalies that are taking place have repeat and repetitive flares, and similar lumispheres have taken place, but not here. This is something very, very strange. When such burst of energy occurs, supernovas and gamma ray bursts are destroyed. But in this case, the two stars flared to the verge of exploding, but remained. So they ignited, but they stayed there. They didn't totally go away. And they're 4 years apart in a distant galaxy beyond the Milky Way. What is it? What is it, and what was it, and what does it mean prophetically? Now look, the Bible does tell us. Jesus said, as lightning cometh from the east to the west, so shall the coming of the Son of Man be. In a moment of a twinkling of an eye, we'll be caught up to be with the Lord. We'll be changed. Are you serious? You don't want to be left behind, and it's too late to pray. Boom! Just like flash, before you can blink, twinkle. It's over. Change. Are you left behind? Are you saved? We'll talk about this discovery tonight on Sunday Night Live. Starts at 7 p.m. Eastern. 7 p.m. Eastern at my website at www.paulbegleyprophecy.com.